Hello guys, welcome back to Surya Tech World. In this video, we will see how to uninstall MySQL completely on Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. I will show you completely step-by-step process to uninstall MySQL. For this, you have to follow mainly two steps. First one is to remove all MySQL applications, and then second one is you have to remove all MySQL folders in the respective drives. Let's get started. First of all, you have to go to settings and then go to apps, then search for MySQL. These are the MySQL applications in my Windows PC. First of all, you have to uninstall all these apps. MySQL installer. It will take some time to remove. So let's wait. MySQL install successfully uninstall. And then we have to uninstall MySQL server. We lost some permission. Click yes. And then click MySQL shell. Allow permissions. Let's wait. And then yes. It will take around 20 to 30 seconds for the uninstall. So be patient for the 20 seconds. And the last one is MySQL Workbench. Click on install and then give permission. It will take few minutes to install MySQL shell. And the last one is MySQL Workbench. Hello, yes. MySQL Workbench also uninstall. And then you have to go the file manager, then go to the C drive, and then go to the program files. This is the MySQL folder that you have to uninstall. Let's see. You have to uninstall the MySQL folder, and then we have to uninstall on program data. Generally, it is in hidden folders. You have to go to the view and then click on hidden items, allow the hidden items, and then you will see program data. These are the program data. In this program data, we have to remove MySQL folder. And one more folder, then you have to go to the users and then go to the respective name folder and then go to the app data and then go to the roaming and then go to the for MySQL. These are the MySQL related folders. So you have to remove that. In this way, you have to remove completely MySQL on Windows PC. Then you have to check whether it is uninstall or not. Command prompt. Then you have to type MySQL hyphen version. Then check it. MySQL is not recognized as internal or external command. This is the way to how to uninstall MySQL completely on Windows or 11. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.